Welcome to English Quizler. Ready to test your vocabulary skills? In this quiz, you'll see 40 fun and easy questions that every beginner should know. Let's see how many you can get right. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and let's start improving your English.
That's right. You wear shoes on your feet. Correct. You write with a pen. Exactly. The opposite of cold is hot. You got it. On a clear day, the sky is blue. Yes, the animal that says meow is a cat. Sweet answer. Bees make honey. Nice one. You sleep on a bed. Good job. You use a phone to call someone. Perfect. The plural of child is children. Right. Many people drink tea with breakfast. Exactly. You brush your teeth with a toothbrush. Good one. The opposite of big is small. Correct. The first day of the week is Monday. You got it. March comes after February. Cool answer. Frozen water is ice. Spot on. You need a key to open a locked door. Yes, you see stars at night. That's right. You wear a hat on your head. Correct. You cut paper with scissors. Oh, yes. A baby dog is called a puppy. Nice. You throw a ball. Exactly. The opposite of happy is sad. You got it. When you're tired, you sleep. Yes, you use a remote to watch TV comfortably. Perfect. When it rains, wear a raincoat. job. You study at a school. Correct. You eat soup with a spoon. Yes, the opposite of fast is slow. You got it. That yellow, long fruit is a banana. Exactly. You wear glasses to see better. Correct. The opposite of up is down. Right. You wear gloves to keep your hands warm. Yes, cows give us milk. Clean answer. You wash your hands with soap. Perfect. The evening meal is called dinner. Exactly. In the mirror, you see yourself. Correct. You read a book. Nice one. Red and yellow make orange. You got it. After spring comes summer. Perfect finish. You wear a watch to tell time.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.